Welcome back to a new video about the Escort. Today we are going to weld the two front fenders and also the heater bowl and the scuttle panel. So then the front is fully welded out. Let's get started. So using the self-tapping screws we put on the both of the fenders again and they are fixed in place. So now we are going to weld on all the small holes that I've drilled, so that they are spot welded on again, and then all of the two fenders will be fixed for good again. So the heater bowl is now put in place using these self-tapping screws. I have drilled some holes in this heater panel piece, and now we are going to weld it from the back side to the front. So now the heater bowl is fully welded onto the car again. And the next thing to do is to weld the scuttle panel. Again, we have made some welding holes onto the scuttle panel to plug weld them onto the car. This is the last bit to do, and then the car is fully welded out. So again, we fixed the scuttle panel with the self-tapping screws on the top and on the bottom. And now we are going to weld the holes from underneath the dashboard and from inside of the engine bay onto the heater bowl. Now the scuttle panel and the heater bowl are both welded in, and those were the last two pieces that needed to be welded. So now the next thing we are going to do is just fit up the front and the rear extension piece so that we can get a nice look on how the car will look with the white body kit on it. So now I have put body filler on the rear of the car where we weld it, and I put it around the whole of the rear side. And now I am sanding down the body filler. I started already on this side, and where you can see the gray marks, like here, here and there, they are low spots, and we will have to put another coat of body filler over it and then sand it again. And that's how we will apply the body filler. But now I'm first of all gonna do the same like I already did here. I'm gonna sand the whole of the rear side of the car, and then I will apply another coat of body filler. The next thing I'm going to do is fit these wide body fenders to the car. The fitment on these is pretty bad, so we are going to have to fold and bend this lip to the shape of the car, and then we can put some holes in this lip, and we just use some rivets to put them on. But now first I'm going to fix this lip so this is nice and flush to the car, and then we can go on to the next step. So I put on the wide body arches and the front lip on both sides. It's loosely fitted up right now, but just to give you guys an idea of how this car is going to look. So the next thing to do is to fit on the wide body arches, because now there are a few gaps, as you can see, and they aren't fully lined up yet, so that's why it all has to come off again. But this was just to give you guys a first look. So that was it for this week's episode. Thank you all for watching. Sorry that this episode took a bit longer than expected, but I was sick in the past week, so that's why we hadn't the time to work on it. But in this week we finished off all of the welding of the body panels on the car, so that means we can focus on getting the bodywork done and also getting these white arches on the car. We already started with the bodywork on the back with a bit of filler, as you saw in this episode, but in the next episode we will do all of the filler work, and also we will get these white body arches on the car. So certainly stay tuned for this next week's episode. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And that was it. See you next time. Bye bye.